Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of magnesium glycinate, a mineral supplement that's been gaining quite a bit of attention lately. We'll be uncovering 7 incredible facts about magnesium glycinate, how to use it, risks, natural sources, and answering some of your frequently asked questions. So, let's dive right in. Fact number 1. The Magnesium Powerhouse. Magnesium is a vital mineral our body needs to function properly. It's found in foods like spinach, almonds, and whole grains, but sometimes we need a little extra boost. Enter magnesium glycinate. Magnesium glycinate is a highly absorbable form of magnesium, making it an excellent choice for supplementation. Fact number 2. Mind and muscle relaxation. Magnesium glycinate is known for its calming effects. It helps relax both your mind and muscles. If you struggle with stress, anxiety, or muscle tension, this supplement might be your new best friend. Fact number 3. Heart health hero. Magnesium glycinate supports heart health. It helps maintain a steady heartbeat and normal blood pressure. Adding magnesium glycinate to your routine can be a heart-healthy choice. Fact 4. Better sleep, better you. Magnesium glycinate can improve your sleep quality. Taking it before bedtime may help you relax, fall asleep faster, and wake up feeling refreshed. Fact number 5. Digestive support. Magnesium glycinate aids in digestion. It can help relieve constipation and support a healthy gut. Fact number 6. Bone health boost. Magnesium glycinate is essential for strong bones. It plays a crucial role in bone density and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Fact number 7. Mood elevator. Magnesium glycinate can boost your mood. It helps regulate neurotransmitters, which can positively impact your mood and mental well-being. Now that we've explored these fascinating facts about magnesium glycinate, let's move on to how to use magnesium glycinate supplements effectively. In some cases, a healthcare professional may recommend supplementation for those with low magnesium absorption. Magnesium glycinate supplements are widely available in pill or powder form. Like other supplements, it's best to take them with food to help reduce stomach upset. If you're taking medications, speak with a healthcare professional or pharmacist. They can advise you on possible interactions between your medication and your magnesium supplement. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about risks and natural sources of magnesium. Risks of taking magnesium. Although magnesium supplements are generally safe for healthy adults, consult a doctor before supplementation. They can help determine the appropriate daily dose for your needs. Here are some precautions to follow when considering taking supplements. When choosing a supplement, always check the amount of elemental magnesium present. You can usually find this information on the label. Buy supplements from a respected source. The Food and Drug Administration does not review supplements for safety or efficacy. Talk with a healthcare professional if you have any heart or kidney problems. If you're taking antibiotics or other medications, ask a healthcare professional how they'll interact with magnesium and whether absorption of either the magnesium or the medications will be affected. Natural sources of magnesium. Magnesium is found in various foods. The best sources of magnesium are unprocessed foods such as dark green, leafy vegetables, such as Swiss chard and spinach. Nuts and seeds, such as pumpkin, chia, and sesame seeds. Seaweed. Beans and lentils. Whole, unrefined grains. Fruits, such as bananas, dried figs, and blackberries. Fish, especially halibut. When possible, opt for foods grown in healthy organic soils. These soils contain the highest concentration of nutrients and minerals. Produce is often grown in soil that doesn't contain important nutrients. As a result, some fresh produce may lack minerals, including magnesium. Now, let's tackle some frequently asked questions. We've gathered a few frequently asked questions. Question number 1, can I take magnesium glycinate with other supplements? Yes, you can generally take magnesium glycinate with other supplements. However, it's always best to consult your healthcare provider to ensure there are no interactions or potential conflicts with your current regimen. Question number 2, is magnesium glycinate safe during pregnancy? Magnesium glycinate can be safe during pregnancy, but it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before using any supplements while pregnant to ensure it's appropriate for your specific situation. Question number 3, how long does it take to see results with magnesium glycinate? The time it takes to see results with magnesium glycinate can vary from person to person. Some may experience benefits within days, while for others, it may take weeks. Consistency is key, so give it time to work its magic. Question number 4, when is the best time to take magnesium glycinate? When to take magnesium glycinate might depend on why you're taking it. A lot of people take it before bed to help improve their sleep. What's most important is that you take it at the same time each day. And there you have it, folks, 7 fascinating facts about magnesium glycinate, along with essential information on how to use it, risks, natural sources, and answers to your frequently asked questions. Remember, magnesium glycinate can be a valuable addition to your daily routine, but always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the power of magnesium glycinate, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into health and wellness. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.